Hey guys, it's the Epic Guy, and today we're going to do a review of the Jolt and the Slingfire. So first we're going to do the Jolt, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so first we're going to do the Jolt. So just go like this, aim, nice shot. The Jolt only takes 1 bullet, so yeah. And we're using these bullets, the actual zombie strike bullets for the Slingfire. So I'm going to do all the bullets, so let's go. So yeah, that's all the bullets. And I got this, you can get the Slingfire at Big W, wherever, Toys R Us, Nerf guns everywhere. And yeah, that's pretty much it today. Leave a like in the description below. Hope you enjoyed. And bye!